to Vlogtober day. I have no idea what day it is. Let me just have a look quickly. Is it the 28th? Yep, it is the 28th of October. I've literally lost track of the days now. Right, I'm trying to find a bowl. 1 second for... There we go. For my I say a lot, don't I? For my cereal, which I've been loving recently, which is this one. This is Special K milk chocolate cereal. So I'm gonna have some of that this morning. That is the time right now. And yeah, I was tossing up between these, which I got from Morrison's the other day, which I absolutely love. They're so nice, highly recommend them. I don't know if to go with almond milk for my cereal, because it does say perfect with cereal. I might just go with normal milk, I think, for today. But I mean, almond milk with cereal is nice, so I might change my mind. I don't know. Right, I'm gonna make my cereal right now and watch some TV whilst I do that, whilst I eat. So it's a little bit later on now. I thought I'd just play a little bit of Sims 4. I feel like I've played it quite a lot throughout this month, but I do fully enjoy Sims 4, so I'm just going to play more of that and then do a workout whilst listening to my Dua Lipa album. Look how cool this cover is. It is literally so cool. So I'm going to listen to that whilst I go on the exercise bike, which is just over there you go. And yeah, I'm literally just gonna go on that. I usually go on it for about 45 minutes. And yeah, okay, my dad needs to free up some storage apparently on his PlayStation. So yeah, yes, PlayStation, I know I need to update my Sims game. But I also might play I also might watch Coraline today if I get the chance. I love this film. This is such a good film. I remember this film creeping me out as a kid. Like, it scared me, and I love it. It's such a good film. So I'm going to watch Coraline because why not? It's been a very slow morning so far. I really want to get, where is it? Oh, because I can't update my game. I don't think I can get it. Oh, damn it. Sorry. I really want to get another Sims 4 pack. I'm literally just rambling at you, but yeah, that is literally what I'm up to right now. And yeah, I'm just going to chill for a little bit. I've managed to edit yesterday's vlog. I've done a rough edit of it, so I'll finish that after my workout. I think that sounds about right. I think. Yep. Okay, I'm gonna go. Definitely maybe a couple of hours later. I don't know if you can hear in the background, but I'm about to watch Coraline. I just love this film. It's so good. So I'm going to watch that. One of my favourite animated films. It's that good. I bloody love it. So I'm going to watch that whilst eating my lunch. So today's lunch, I've got a sandwich. So this is like a Warburton's Thins protein bread type of thing. And I've got some little ham with some coleslaw. And then I've got some Wensleydale as well there. So that is my lunch for today. And as you can see, I'm about to watch one of the best films in the past 15 years, animated wise. I can't believe it's that old. Like, that's just crazy. But yeah, I'm gonna watch Coraline whilst eating my lunch. Kind of sounds like a good afternoon to me, so I'm gonna do that. And yeah. It's a little bit later on now, and if you're wondering why I'm kind of stood up like this, if you watched my Vlogtober from the other day, I can't remember what day it was, where I cleaned basically all of my DVDs and got the dust off them. I thought I'd do part 2 in today's Vlogtober, so I've got all of these ones to clean as well. So yeah, I'm just going to quickly open my window. One second. I say my window, my blinds. Hang on. But yeah, I just thought I'd do part 2 of this because why not? I've still got a whole bunch of DVDs to clean and show you. So I'm going to be cleaning all of these on my shelf. So we've got all of these ones to go. So what I'm going to do is, it's going to be quite hard to show you, but hopefully this is okay. I'm going to have to flip up my flip screen. It looks okay, we're in focus, we're good. Okay, we'll start off with these ones. So I just move my little Sing characters, which is basically a film where like little animals enter singing competition, a talent show. I feel like everyone knows what it is, but in case you don't, they're just little figures. So I've got those there. Okay, I've got my trusty dust there with me. Okay, what's this? I've got my Coronation Street board game. I've had this for years. It's literally like a staple. I love it. It's quite a cool thing. There we go. I'll just open it like this. Obviously I'm a huge, massive Coronation Street fan. I've watched Coronation Street since the age of 9, I want to say. So I've watched it for a long time and honestly it's just the best. Okay, let me just clean off this box set. So this is the Royal Family box set. I love this. This is such a good show. Okay, there's a lot of dust on this one. Okay, and there's a mark on it. That's great. But yeah, this is what this box set looks like. This is from Amazon. Okay, so we've done that one. Okay, I'm just going to clean off as well this shelf a little bit. It's not too dusty, but I just want to give it a quick clean. And then I've got my Modern Family box set. I'm not a huge fan of this show anymore. I used to love it, but I don't know, I've just kind of gone off it, to be honest. Okay, let's just put that one back. Okay, next up, my favourite sitcom of all time, Only Fools and Horses. I love it. It's a classic. How can you not love this show? It's so good. Then I've got the complete series as well. Okay, let's give that a quick dust. Because there's a bit of dust there. Okay, so I've got this as well. This has literally been destroyed. I've had it for years. But, you know, obviously I'm going to keep that in the collection, obviously. Okay, I've got these two to go now. Which I have so many. If you saw my DVD collection on how many DVDs I own, it is ludicrous. But I do love them. I do play them, so I'll leave a link to that down below if you want to go and check out, you know, my DVD collection. Let me just clean off this DVD. Okay, I'm not going to name all of them because I'll literally be here forever. Okay, I'll give this a quick dust. They're not too dusty, but I just kind of want to give them a quick clean. Just make them all nice and whatnot. This is my favourite DVD I own. This is honestly just my favourite. Oh, I love it. I love it. It's such a good DVD. It has a load of extras on it and yeah, it's just a really cool DVD. And I mean, Red Dwarf is one of my favourite shows. I love it. It's hilarious. It's so good. Me and my dad are like huge fans of it. So there you go. Let me just put these back. Okay, I've got a really dry mouth. I feel like I need some water. Okay, we've got a little Halloween tea light right there. Okay, let's just move those. I think they're all good for dust, to be honest. Okay, let's go with this DVD. And then this box set right here. Okay, give that a quick dust. And then these two I'll do together because it's a little bit easier if I do that together. Okay. And And then we've got 2 more sitcom box sets right here. Let's just give those a quick dust. I'm super excited for the Gavin and Stacey Christmas special that's coming out in December on Christmas Day. I'm buzzing for that. I'm literally so excited. And then I've got this one. Okay, these 2 are new. I don't know if they've got dust on them. I'll give them a quick clean though. We'll sticker on this one. Let's see if I can get it off. Maybe I can. Maybe I can't. There we go. We're done. We've done that one. So we've got those. And then all of my like David Attenborough DVDs, like documentaries and stuff. Okay, these have got quite a bit of dust on them. That's disgusting. How am I letting my DVDs get like this? It's just craziness. Okay. And then we've got my box set here. Okay, give that a quick dust. Perfect. Okay, that's those 2 shelves done. Got 2 more to go, so that's good. Okay, let's put those back. Okay, I'll come back to you in just a second. I am back. Am I in focus? Yes, I believe I am. Okay, so moving on now to the 3rd shelf. Okay, I'll just move some seashells and a little postcard. I love this. It's so cool. Okay, these are all my Christmas DVDs. Yes, I have a Christmas section because why not? Okay. Bit better. Okay, done those ones. Now moving on to my Family Guy Christmas DVDs that I own, so got those. Okay, now these 3. Okay, give those a quick dust. All done. Okay, these 2 now. Okay, this one's got a little bit of dust on it. Not great, but it's fine. Okay, now these 2. Love this film. Oh, so good. It's Muppets Christmas Carol. And then the last few here. There we go. Such an underrated Christmas film. This is the Polar Express. Oh, I just love it. No one ever talks about this film because the animation creeps them out. The music in this, the animation. I love the animation. It doesn't creep me out, but it's such an underrated Christmas film. It's so good. Please let me know if you love this in the comments because I can't be the only one who loves it. And then we've got, I know I'm being a bit dramatic, but I need to know. And then we've got all these ones, so there we go. Okay, now moving on to the final shelf now. Last load of them. And then we're done. Okay, these are just box sets and things. Okay, let me move. Oh, sugar plums. Oh. Okay, let me move you this way. I don't know if you can still see me. Maybe, I don't know. Okay, these are all my box sets, which shouldn't take... Where's that come from? There we go. It shouldn't take too long to do. These are my Simpsons box sets and things. Okay, bit of dust there, that's nice. Okay, this one now. All these ones. I love these are so cool. Very heavy though. And then, these in the right order? Yeah, okay. This one. And then the last new, oh my god, I'm going to drop them all. That would not be good. Okay. I've literally got one pile of DVDs left to do. And these are all my Simpsons DVDs. So there we go. I am now done. I've now finished doing that. It didn't take me too long. So I'm quite happy with that. Okay, let's move those there and then those there. Okay, I've pretty much done all of those now. I feel like they look a little bit better, I think. You know, I've just give them a quick dust and things. But yeah, I'm going to get myself a drink because I am honestly so thirsty, so I'm going to do that. It's a bit later on now. I'm currently watching The Solar System. Me and my dad finished the series we were watching, which I fully enjoyed. It was a really great series, Mr. Loverman. Really enjoyed that. Now I'm having some almond milk, which is my favourite thing ever. I love almond milk. My mum got me this today, which is just the coolest thing ever. She got me a Nightmare Before Christmas Skinny Dip collab umbrella. How cool is this? Got Jack all over it, which I absolutely love. There you go, there is Solar System that I'm watching. I love the Solar System and I'm fascinated by it, so yeah, I'm just watching that. And yeah, it's been a few hours since I picked up my camera. I probably will end this vlog at some point today, obviously. I will remember to end it because I didn't end my previous vlog, so I will do that. I love almond milk. It's like it's just so good. I'm obsessed with it. And yeah, I think I'm going to probably head to bed in a little bit, get my pyjamas on, brush my teeth and just have a good night's sleep, I guess. So yeah, I'll end the clip you'll see after this will be me ending the vlog, I think. So see you in a little bit, I think. Yeah, for sure. Completely forgot to end off yesterday's Vlogtober, so thank you so much for watching. Make sure to give the vlog a huge thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you all in tomorrow's Vlogtober, today's Vlogtober. Anyway, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.